Hi everyone, welcome to Mr. Homeowner's Handyman Show. I'm Mrs. Homeowner.
And I'm Mr. Homeowner.
We bought our first house 15 years ago. Our journey began with refinishing our hardwood floors. A project that should have cost us $4,000 cost us $300 to do ourselves. And since then, we've done many more DIY and have saved a lot of money in doing so.
We'll start with the basics of tools to building a barn and everything in between. Our goal is to take you from buying a house to becoming a homeowner.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Homeowner and thank you for watching the Mr. Homeowner Show. Today we're going to be beginning the very start of our barn project. It all starts with picking a spot and clearing the land. Depending on what your land is, you may have trees or no trees. And trees are wonderful, but you have to take them down if you're going to be building a barn, especially if they're big and unstable and close to the building. So that's what we're doing here. We took down multiple trees. I don't even know how many, probably at least 3 big ones and some smaller ones, maybe more. But it was about August, so all the leaves had already grown on the trees, making it a little bit messier of a job, kind of like digging through a jungle and chopping it up and moving it. So as you can see in a previous video, it is much better to girdle the trees so they don't grow the leaves, or take them down before the leaves grow. But after we did that, we used the Kubota, moved the logs to the burn pile that's behind me. Kurt's been working on splitting the wood this weekend. Looks a lot better. And then we used the Kubota also to push all of the brush, the sticks, leaves, everything in that pile of non-useful logs to the burn area. So keep watching for that work. And make sure you click that like, subscribe, and share this with a friend. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe to the channel, but it really helps us grow. So thank you. So if you wondered what I'm doing, we're clearing the land for a big old building that I guess we're gonna build. So this is step one. Step one, clearing the lot. All right, now we're going. Moving some sticks. That's how you get it done, boys. Hey everybody, have you clicked that like button? Subscribe to our channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it really helps us grow. Thanks for watching, Mr. Homeowner. Oh, losing a few over here. Shoot. Oh well. They're closer to the pile. First, we have to clear the land. So, dropping my bucket down. Push these trees all the way over yonder. Oh yeah. Oops, hold on. I'm hitting Kurt's trailer. There we go. And now we're moving along. So many trees. We got some work to do, but we'll get it done little by little, right? One day at a time, one thing at a time. Yeah, right about here. That's where the building's gonna be. So we wanted to clear all these trees. We gotta put in a driveway going straight down there. laying out where the building's gonna go. Got some logs. Cleared all these trees. Burning a wood pile over there. There's Kurt hard at work. Figuring out where to put it all.